Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0703 indicates a malfunction related to the brake pedal position switch, specifically when the switch fails to operate as intended. This switch plays a critical role in providing the powertrain control module, PCM, with the necessary signal regarding the brake pedal's position. The switch is located near the brake pedal assembly, usually mounted on the brake pedal arm. If the signal from this switch is inconsistent with the brake pedal's actual operation, the PCM detects an anomaly and stores the DTC. This issue often arises in specific driving conditions, especially when the brake pedal is lightly pressed simultaneously with the accelerator for an extended period, such as 5 minutes. Understanding this malfunction is crucial for ensuring proper brake system functionality and overall vehicle safety. The brake pedal position switch is a vital component in the Honda Accord's braking system. It conveys the position of the brake pedal to the PCM, enabling appropriate responses in engine management and safety systems. Located adjacent to the brake pedal assembly, the switch is activated when the pedal is pressed, sending an electrical signal to the PCM. If there is a malfunction indicated by the DTC P0703, it means the signal sent does not correlate properly with expected brake pedal operations. This inconsistency can lead to safety concerns, as the vehicle's response to braking may be compromised. As a vital safety feature, ensuring the proper functioning of this switch is essential for the overall integrity of the vehicle's braking system. Several factors can lead to the occurrence of DTC P0703. The most common cause is a faulty brake pedal position switch itself, which may be unable to send the correct signals due to internal failure. Next, wiring issues in the circuit can prevent a proper signal from reaching the PCM. These can include short circuits or open circuits. Additionally, if the PCM, which processes the incoming signals from the brake pedal position switch and interprets them for vehicle operations, is faulty, it may incorrectly assume there's a problem with the switch. Therefore, addressing these potential causes is crucial for resolving the DTC P0703 and restoring proper function to the braking system. Drivers may notice several symptoms corresponding with DTC P0703. Most prominently, there could be inconsistent brake operation, where the brake feels unresponsive or overly sensitive. This inconsistency can lead to erratic behavior during driving, especially during sudden stops. Furthermore, warning lights on the dashboard may illuminate, serving as a crucial alert for the driver to check the braking system. Lastly, there may be reduced braking responsiveness, posing potential safety hazards, especially in emergency situations. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for immediate action to investigate and rectify the underlying issues associated with this DTC. The first troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers the vehicle's electronic systems without starting the engine. Next, it's essential to confirm the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostics System, values for the cruise brake switch and idle stop switch. By pressing and releasing the brake pedal, you can monitor changes in readings. If the HDS values do not change as expected, it indicates a duplicate failure, suggesting that the brake pedal position signal is indeed malfunctioning. This initial step sets the groundwork for further diagnosis to pinpoint the issue accurately. In the second step of troubleshooting, the focus is on inspecting the IG1 ACG circuit and the BKSWNC and ground circuits, referred to as GND in diagnostics. Begin by ensuring that the connections are secure and wires are intact. If abnormalities are detected in these circuits, it can indicate a fault that may affect the performance of the brake pedal position switch. This inspection should be meticulous, since issues like short circuits or broken wires can significantly impair the operation of the brake signaling system. Therefore, confirming the integrity of these circuits is crucial for further ensuring that the fault does not stem from these common electrical issues. The third troubleshooting step involves reinstalling the brake pedal position switch appropriately. If, during prior checks, you found the switch was improperly mounted or misaligned, correcting this issue is essential for its function. After ensuring it is correctly reinstalled, a thorough inspection of the switch should be conducted. This involves manually pressing the brake pedal and observing whether the switch activates correctly and is able to send the correct voltage signals to the PCM. If the switch fails to operate as it should during these tests, it confirms that the issue lies with the brake pedal position switch. In the fourth step, the focus shifts to inspecting the PCM, or powertrain control module connectors. This inspection involves ensuring the connectors are clean and securely attached. Following that, evaluate the transmission of signals between the brake pedal position switch and the PCM. You should confirm that signal voltages vary between 0 volts and 12 volts when pressing and releasing the brake pedal. If these conditions are not met, it can be concluded that the PCM itself is malfunctioning or that there are communication issues that need to be addressed. This critical examination will assist in confirming whether the PCM is indeed the point of failure. Final repair verification is essential to ensure that the problem related to DTC P0703 has been adequately resolved. Start by conducting a recheck of the overall braking system to confirm proper operation, ensuring that both the brake pedal position switch and the PCM function harmoniously within their operational parameters. After confirming that the system works effectively, clear the DTC codes from the PCM using an appropriate diagnostic tool. It's crucial to monitor the vehicle closely after clearing the codes, to verify that no new codes return during operation. This final confirmation step helps ensure the issue is genuinely resolved and enhances the vehicle's reliability and safety. Preventive maintenance is the cornerstone of ensuring long-term vehicle reliability, particularly concerning critical systems like braking. Regular checkups should include thorough inspections of the brake system, especially focusing on the brake pedal position switch and its wiring. Inspecting wiring connections regularly helps to prevent issues caused by corrosion or physical wear that may lead to poor signal transmission. Additionally, ensuring that all connectors are clean and secure can greatly reduce the chances of circuit failures. Taking these proactive steps not only maintains the integrity of the braking system, but also enhances overall vehicle safety, ensuring a trouble-free and safe driving experience. In conclusion, DTC P0703 signifies a malfunction in the brake pedal position switch, which can severely impact braking performance and overall vehicle safety. It is critical to methodically troubleshoot, focusing on the brake pedal position switch, wiring integrity, and the powertrain control module's function. By undertaking a structured approach to diagnosis and repair, as outlined in prior troubleshooting steps, mechanics can proficiently address the issues and ensure proper operation. Preventive maintenance can help avert future occurrences, significantly enhancing the safety and reliability of the Honda Accord. Ultimately, maintaining a vigilant eye on these components is not just beneficial, but essential for safe driving practices. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.